In this video, let's learn how to crochet the half double crochet stitch. A half double crochet stitch is slightly taller than a single crochet stitch. To do it, let's first do a yarn over. So hold your hook in front of the working yarn with the tip of your hook facing you. Do a yarn over, which means bringing your hook below and behind the working yarn. Now it should look like you've got 2 strands of yarn on the hook. We're going to put the hook into the next hole, which is this one, and it should look like you've got 4 strands of yarn on the hook now. So your hook should still be in front of the working yarn tip of the hook facing you. Do another yarn over by bringing the yarn below and behind the working yarn. At this point, the tip of your hook is facing you, and the hook is in front of the working yarn, which is between your index finger and the magic circle. Pull that yarn through just the first 2 loops on the hook. So now it should look like you have 3 strands of yarn or 3 loops on your hook. Now do a yarn over again, bring your hook below and behind the working yarn. And then pull that yarn through all 3 loops on the hook. And that is a half double crochet stitch. And now, let's repeat a half double crochet stitch again. Now the tip of the hook should be facing you, and the hook should be in front of the working yarn. Firstly, do a yarn over. Now it should look like you've got 2 strands of yarn on the hook. Put the hook into the next hole, and you've got 4 strands of yarn on the hook now. Yarn over again. Pull that yarn through just the first 2 loops on the hook. So now it should look like you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over. Pull that yarn through all the loops on the hook. Great! Half double crochet stitch finished.